So hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today in this video we're gonna talk about how to exchange stickers on Monopoly Go. So before we dive into that, here's a website where you can get dice and stickers using our discount code.
By MMOG for all things Monopoly Go related. So just click onto that, try to click onto dice in here, and then just click onto buy now. And in the coupon section here, you could grab an additional 10% off with our exclusive discount code, which is TechTricks.
So now that's out of the way, basically to get stickers and exchange them in Monopoly Go, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is go to your album, and here you will see all the types of albums that you have, and basically all you have to do is go to one album, and here you will see all your stickers. So to exchange stickers in Monopoly Go, it's pretty simple. Find the +2, +5, +1 or +4 written in the bottom left corner of the sticker. Then here, all you have to do is send to a friend, select that friend, and then all you have to do is continue. So you can make an exchange right here, so you can trade basically. So here's the exchange basically, and here just check that right there and then press continue, and you have exchange. So the exchange proposal will be sent to your friend, and there you go. Just wait for your feedback and they will send you a desired card that you want, or depending on their liking. And there you go, that is how you exchange stickers on Monopoly Go. And thank you for watching this video. See you again next time.